Hey chemistry students, and welcome to your brief tutorial on periodic trends. We're going to look at a couple different pairs of atoms, so barium versus calcium, sulfur versus polonium. We're going to determine which one has the larger atomic radius, electronegativity, ionization energy, and affinity for gaining electrons. So as you may remember from class, atomic radius increases as you go down a group and to the left in a period. You can also just sometimes see it as a simple arrow going to the left and down. I like to think of atomic radius as going away from the right. The other three trends all increase as you go up a group and to the right on the periodic table in a period. Sometimes you can also just see it as a simple arrow, meaning going up and to the right. Okay, so we have barium versus calcium. So which one has the larger atomic radius? So first and foremost, I need to locate these atoms on the periodic table. So here's calcium, and here's barium. So atomic radius increases as you go down a group. So since barium is further down in the alkaline earth metals, it's going to have a larger atomic radius. Now, the other three trends all go the opposite way. So they increase as you go up a group and to the right in a period. So since calcium is higher up in the group compared to barium, it's going to have a higher electronegativity, ionization energy, and affinity for electrons. All right, let's move to the other side. So sulfur versus polonium. So here is sulfur. Here is polonium, so PO for polonium. So same thing as before. This top one is for atomic radius. So atomic radius increases as you go to the left in the period and down in a group. Or the one that's further over and down to the left. So for sulfur and polonium, polonium will have a higher atomic radius because it is further down in the group. So polonium. Now for the remaining three, so electronegativity, ionization energy, and electron affinity. Sulfur will have the larger of all three because all three of those follow this trend where they increase as you go up a group and to the right in a period. So because sulfur is higher up in the group, it's only in the third energy level as opposed to polonium in the sixth. I'm getting these numbers from the other side of my periodic table. It will have a higher value for all three. So sulfur, sulfur, and sulfur. I do want you to remember that for electronegativity and electron affinity, the noble gases do not participate. Their values are close to 0. So continue practicing on your own, and as always, ask questions.